My name is Zussman. I work for Pepper Construction in Chicago. We're a large construction company in the Midwest. I do about $1.2 billion worth of work. I'm a licensed architect. I practiced for 15 years. The nice thing about that job is I got to see all products being installed in all different temperatures, all different types of projects. So I really got a good feel for the way things get built and what products are good for what. Our projects are quite a bit bigger, projects as large as $500 million. A lot of our buildings are 100-year buildings. They're schools, they're government facilities, they're hospitals, and it's really important what we put into the buildings. So I'd like to give an example of two different installations that we recently had this year. One was a product that was an asphalt-based peel and stick. We installed it in the winter months. It was very difficult to install. We had to use a special winter type material and a special primer. In the spring, we started noticing failure throughout the project. The peel and stick started to peel off a bit. It took about 3 weeks in order to correct that throughout the building. We needed to bring on extra men in order to maintain our schedule. It was a school, so we had to open mid-July no matter what we did. On another project we were able to use the VaproShield product. It had much better installation. No primer, so we didn't have to deal with the primer issue. It was a confident install. We didn't have any delays. So most peel and stick products, you have to go through twice. You're using primer, and then you're going back at it again with the roller. One of the main reasons why we would use VaproShield is when we know we're going to be installing it in the colder temperatures. The primerless application allows us to install it without having to wait or worry about temperatures. The product itself might cost a little bit more, but there's savings in the labor because we're only in that location once. Most building failures occur around the windows, at the parapet. Moisture, condensation, humidity gets into the system and just starts to peel away the air barrier, creates mold in the substrate. Building failure where we have to remove the skin of the building impacts our company quite significantly, no matter whose fault it is. As the general contractor, we're there to help our client. We're going to be there for years to come. It means a lot. It means a lot to our pride as well. Not only financially, but everyone who built that cared a lot about it. We like the VaproShield product because of the fact that it has no asphalt. The stainless steel flashing is just the best product to use in all applications. VaproShield team is great. I have, just a phone call away. The technical service department provides me a detail whenever I need it. They've come out to the job site whenever we've asked to do a job site review. They've been very accommodating. I do love my job. I do love what I do. It's incredible. There's nothing like, as an architect, being able to play with means and methods, trying different things, seeing if they work. It's exciting. It's fantastic.